Hi everyone, this is Merly and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how we transported the cattle panel trellis from Tractor Supply to my house and how we installed the cattle panel trellis in my garden. We have been planning on creating a couple of arch trellises in my garden for my cucumbers, watermelon, and cantaloupe. And today is a perfect day to get those cattle panel trellis. One of the challenges in creating a cattle panel trellis is the transport of the cattle panel itself. You're gonna need a trailer to transport a 16-feet cattle panel from the store to your house. If you don't have a trailer, Tractor Supply has some trailers that are for rent. Some people also got so creative, and I have seen one who put the cattle panel on top of his SUV. But of course, I do not recommend that. Once you are successful in transporting your cattle panel, the next thing that you're gonna do is to take it to your garden. This is gonna be a two-person job because you need two people to carry that cattle panel from your trellis to the spot where you are creating your trellis. To start creating the cattle panel trellis, we put T-posts in the ground. We space the T-posts 4 feet apart. We're gonna need 4 T-posts, 2 on each side of the arch. Once the T-posts are in place, you're gonna need to put the cattle panel starting on one side, slide it into the T-post, and then create an arch by sliding the other side of the cattle panel into the T-posts. You're gonna need a lot of strength in order to make this cattle panel arch trellis. But of course, it's so worth it because then my cucumbers, watermelon, and cantaloupe can then grow on the trellis instead of growing in the ground. One of the advantages of growing your vines like cucumbers on a trellis like this is an easy access to the plant itself. You can easily find the bugs or treat diseases in your plant. Growing vertically is an effective method of growing a lot of food in a small space. Using a trellis system increases the plant's exposure to sunlight. This makes the plant grow well and produce more fruits. Generally, this improves the quality of fruit or the foliage. The plant does not experience rot before harvest. It promotes healthy crops. Proper circulation, which reduces incidence and spread of diseases. If you need to prune your plant, pruning will become a lot easier, and fertilizer application will be easy as well. Plants are better prepared to withstand heavy wind that may have caused damages. Also, a trellis makes harvesting easier to do. The best time to create a trellis for your vegetables is after you have cleaned up your garden raised bed or your earth bed and before you plant your crops. The reason for this is because you don't want to disturb your plants when they are already in the ground. Also, putting up the cattle panel trellis with plants already growing in the ground causes a risk to kill the plants itself if you accidentally hit the plant with the cattle panel or the T-post. Although the materials are a little bit expensive, I believe that it is worth it to install a cattle panel trellis in your garden. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and don't forget to click the notification bell so you will not miss any video from my channel.